Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Evenflo bottle set is probably one of the most versatile and convenient solutions for parents seeking a reliable feeding experience for their little ones, designed with innovative features to minimize common issues like colic and gas, ensuring a smoother transition between breast and bottle feeding. Number 5. Philips Avent Anti-Colic Bottle 4 ounces 4 pk. Introducing the Philips Avent Anti-Colic Bottle, designed for your baby's comfort. It helps reduce colic and fussing for a happier feeding experience. Our unique air-free vent is designed to stay full of milk, not air. This allows your baby to swallow less air, promoting better digestion. This bottle is suitable from birth, with a Flow 1 nipple designed for newborns. It ensures a gentle and consistent flow for your little one. This pack includes 4 4-ounce bottles, perfect for stocking up. You'll always have a clean bottle ready for your baby's next feed. We've made cleaning and assembly simple. Its few parts ensure a quick and easy process, giving you more time with your baby. Choose the trusted quality of Philips Avent for your baby's feeding needs. We are dedicated to supporting your journey through parenthood. What we like? This bottle features an innovative air-free vent designed to reduce colic and gas. If you're a parent struggling with a gassy or fussy baby, this is a great option to consider. It helps ensure your baby swallows less air, promoting a more comfortable feeding experience. What people say. The Evenflo bottles are designed to reduce colic, gas, and spit up. The bottle features an anti-colic valve that helps prevent air from entering the baby's stomach. The bottle is made of BPA-free plastic, making it safe for babies. Number 4. Evenflo Feeding Classic Clear Plastic Bottles. Introducing the Evenflo Feeding Classic Clear Plastic Bottles. Designed for your baby's comfort and your peace of mind. These bottles feature a standard neck design, making them easy for little ones to handle. They are perfect for newborns and infants. Crafted from clear, durable plastic, you can easily monitor your baby's intake. They are made with safety in mind for your precious little one. This pack includes 12 bottles, each holding 8 ounces. It's a convenient supply to keep you prepared for every feeding. Available in a cheerful teal, green, and blue color scheme. These bottles add a touch of fun to your feeding routine. Choose Evenflo feeding for quality you can trust. These classic bottles are a dependable choice for your baby's nourishment. What we like? This is a classic, no-frills bottle set offering excellent value with a 12-pack. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable option for everyday use, especially if you go through bottles quickly, this set is ideal. The clear plastic makes it easy to monitor milk intake. What people say. The bottle is easy to hold and the nipple is soft. The bottle is easy to clean and the measurement markings are clear. The bottle is durable and does not leak. Number 3. Evenflo Feeding Classic Tinted Bottles. Introducing the Evenflo Feeding Classic Tinted Bottles. Designed for comfort and ease, they provide a gentle feeding experience for your baby. These bottles are crafted with your baby's needs in mind. The standard neck design ensures a natural latch, making feeding time more enjoyable. Made from durable, BPA-free plastic, you can trust these bottles for safe and healthy feeding. They are built to last through countless meals. This convenient pack of 12 ensures you always have a clean bottle ready. The 8-ounce size is perfect for both newborns and growing infants. Add a touch of style to feeding time with these attractive teal, green, and blue bottles. They are as practical as they are visually appealing. Choose Evenflo feeding for quality you can depend on. These classic bottles are a reliable choice for parents seeking the best for their baby. What we like? These bottles come in a tinted design, which can help protect milk from light degradation. If you're concerned about nutrient loss or prefer a visually different bottle, this pack of 12 is a practical choice. It offers a good balance of quantity and a unique aesthetic. What people say. The Evenflo bottle set features an anti-colic valve that helps reduce air intake, promoting a more comfortable feeding experience for the baby. The bottles are designed with a soft, breast-like nipple to encourage natural latch-on and make switching between breast and bottle easier. This set includes multiple bottle sizes, offering flexibility for different feeding stages and quantities. Number 2. Evenflo Feeding Classic Tinted Bottles. Introducing the Evenflo Feeding Classic Tinted Bottles. Designed for comfort and ease during feeding times for your baby. These bottles are made with safe, tinted plastic, ensuring a reliable feeding experience. They are perfect for infants and newborns. Each bottle holds 8 ounces, ideal for various feeding needs. This pack includes 12 bottles, providing plenty for daily use. Available in lovely pink, lavender, and teal colors, these bottles add a touch of style to your baby's essentials. Choose Evenflo Feeding for quality you can trust. These classic bottles are a staple for any parent. What we like. With a variety of fun, pastel colors, these bottles add a touch of style to feeding time. If you appreciate aesthetically pleasing baby gear or want to add some color to your nursery, this 12-pack is a delightful choice. They offer the same functionality with a more playful look. What people say. The Evenflo bottle set is designed with an anti-colic vent system that helps reduce air intake, minimizing gas and fussiness in babies. These bottles are made from BPA-free materials, ensuring a safe feeding experience for your little one. The set includes various nipple sizes, allowing for easy transition as your baby grows and their feeding needs change. Number 1. ARTEZA Acrylic Pouring Paint Set of 32. Unleash your creativity with this ready-to-pour acrylic paint set. It comes pre-mixed, saving you time and effort so you can start creating right away. Explore a spectrum of 32 vibrant colors, from dazzling metallics to eye-catching neons and soft pastels. You'll have every shade imaginable to bring your fluid art to life. Enhance your creations with included white and black paints. Mix them to achieve lighter or darker shades of any color, expanding your artistic palette. Created by passionate artists, this set is designed to inspire. We believe art is for everyone, and we strive to make quality supplies accessible. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist, you'll find quality supplies here. Discover a wide range of art and craft accessories to meet all your artistic needs. These versatile paints are perfect for a variety of surfaces. Use them on canvas, glass, paper, or wood to create stunning art pieces. What we like. This set offers pre-mixed, high-flow acrylic paints ready for immediate use. If you're an artist looking for convenience and a wide spectrum of colors to jump right into fluid art, this is perfect. It eliminates the need for separate pouring mediums, making your creative process seamless. What people say. The Evenflo bottle set features an anti-colic valve designed to reduce air intake, promoting a more comfortable feeding experience for the baby. The bottles are made from BPA-free material, ensuring safety for your child. The set includes multiple bottle sizes and nipple flows, offering versatility as your baby grows. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.